Hey there, Bob Deeks from Marty C. Fine Homes here at our latest net zero renovation project up here in beautiful Whistler, British Columbia. The boys are getting ready for their first concrete pour coming up today, pouring some footings to support some of the new roof loads for the new structure. As you can see, we've got our great partners Sea to Sky Welding on site doing a little bit of fabrication for us. So let's go on inside and see what kind of progress we have made to date. So go on inside. As you can see, we've got our recycling center all set up. All the bins protected with a little bit of scaffolding to keep the snow out. Don't want to be throwing away snow. COVID rules posted on the fence here, site safety rules, and of course our own site signage up there looking great. Walking on inside, we've got our Nudura ICF forms all ready to go for the extension of the garage and bedroom up above, and a little bit of ICF work here also for the expanded front entry. So let's go on inside and see what's going on in there. Right inside on the bottom floor, this is the level that we are keeping. So we've actually done quite a lot of cutting and coring here on the original slab to get ready for all the new structural bearing points. And as of course you can see, we've got all our plumbing rough-ins now complete as well. So a little bit of footing pour today, and then beginning of next week we will re-pour the slab and make everything good. All the demolition is now complete with regard to removal of drywall, any of the hazardous waste materials. Of course, just about everything on this floor will remain. And one of the latest developments for us will be using Enercan's new embodied carbon calculator. And so very excited to run this project through that calculator to see what sort of carbon emissions we have saved by using the bottom floor framing, and most importantly here would be all the concrete works, because on the project we just ran, one of the largest amounts of carbon in a new house was of course the foundation. So stay tuned for some further updates, and of course if you want to follow along with this, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.